are reaching Palakkad Road. This is Velandavalam. This is the turning. Turning this, we are reaching Velandavalam. Velandavalam is famous for its Velandavalam is famous for its market, where both farmers from Tamil Nadu side and Kerala side will bring their produce to that market, where they will be auctioned and sold. So it's written like Tamil Nadu border, state border ends here. So now we entered Kerala. This is the Velandavalam bridge, and there's towards the right you'll be able to see the Velandavalam market. So this is the entry to that market. Guys, we are now in Pallasana, and we found a shop here where you will be getting a lot varieties of knives here. So see how many varieties are. It's very nice to see these kind of shops here. All these are Pallasana made only. They are manufacturing these knives here itself in their factory. So this is the
behind the village office.
Behind there is a village office is there. So behind that only. I will show you what all are available in this shop. So you get a variety of things here, different kinds of knives, different types of scissors, shopping knife, and see these knives. Each handle is made of different metals and wood. Can you
rosewood and bullock bone.
This is rosewood. So this knife, no, the handle is made purely with rosewood.
Only brass.
And this one, another one, this handle is made with brass. So you can see how that finishing is and all. And another exciting one is this one is made, not this one. This one is made with the handle is made with bullock horn. Bullock horn. So the horn is converted to a knife handle. See the finishing, and it looks very nice. And its weight is also there.
30 years is for now.
This you can use for nearly 30 years. That's what he's saying. Anyway, nice finish. And you will get files here. Files.
File.
This file is used for making this knives, this type of knives. A very bigger one, bigger and longer one. I never saw such a bigger file here. This is used for making knives, sharpening the knives. So he is showing another knife. What is the specialty of this knife? This is a bigger one.
Japanese model.
Oh, this one is a Japanese model knife.
Handmade.
Handmade. This is not. These are all not handmade ones. These are all. These are all handmade ones only. These are not machine-made ones. So that quality will be that much good.
Holding knife.
This is holding knife, very useful, especially for ladies. When they are going along, you can have one folding knife like this. Looks very nice also. See the folding knife. So, okay. So the handle is made with Rudraksha and
ഫയൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം.
This is made with this file only, but and the handle I never saw Rudraksha on handles or knife handles. See, this is a folding knife. This is another one. Oh, it looks very nice. This is also, there is a Rudraksha here. It's a model. You can fold it, and whenever you want you can unfold it. So these ladies can keep it in their wallets, or gents can keep it in their wallets wherever you go. Especially I think it is for ladies, it is very useful. You can have one knife like this, wherever you go you will feel secure, safe and secure. And another lock, very small knives are there, very small knives are there, very little cute, very cute.
ഫയൽ
Filed knives. These are all filed knives only. Very cute knives. You can see here. Very nice. See, so many things are here. What is this one? Oh, super! I never saw such
അല്ല, അത് ഈ ആർട്ട് വർക്ക് കൊണ്ടൊക്കെയാണ്.
artwork. See, very small, very nice.
മുടക്കി വെച്ചത് പറയുന്നത്. മുകളിലത്തെ ലൈൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് മടക്കി.
എന്ത് വില വരുന്നൊക്കെ?
ഒരു മീഡിയം ടൈപ്പിലുള്ള കുറഞ്ഞ വിലയ്ക്കുണ്ട്, കൂടുതൽ വിലയ്ക്കുണ്ട്. അല്ല, ഏകദേശം 50 രൂപ മുതൽ 8,000 രൂപ.
So he's saying this is all this starts from 50 to 8,000 rupees. All these knives. Anyway, the finishing is very nice. Whoever wants to come and buy knives from Pallasana, this is one of the best shops here. Chet in shop in
രാമേന്ദ്രൻ കത്തി എന്നാണ്.
Ramachandaran Katti. This is made. So I will show you the board. This knife is known as Ramachandaran Kattigal. Tallumandam village office Nedirvasham Pallasana.
ആൾക്കാർ വന്ന് നിറയെ വാങ്ങിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോകാറുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെയുള്ള ആൾക്കാരുടെ പേരിൽ നമ്മൾ അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട് കൊറിയറായിട്ട്.
So these knives are all available at online also in Amazon and Flipkart. Ramachandran knives you can check.
രണ്ടും കളപ്പും മഞ്ഞയും.
മഞ്ഞ ഇത് വന്നിട്ട് 600 രൂപയുള്ളൂ. അതായത് വേറെ പോകും. ഇത് 800 രൂപ വരും. ഇതാകുമ്പോൾ 1,200.
So these
1,600 വരും.
lot of small things are, but this shop is famous for its knives. Very nice.
ഇത് കുറച്ച് വില കുറഞ്ഞ കത്തിയുണ്ട്.
അതിന്റെ അളവ് മറ്റളവ് കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ
This is called Narayam.
ഈ ഹരിശ്രീ എന്നൊക്കെ
അത് മാത്രമല്ല, ഈ ചക്രമൊക്കെ എഴുതില്ല.
For astrology.
ഈ പണ്ട് ഈ നാമൂറ്റി പൂജ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴൊക്കെ ഹരിശ്രീ എഴുതിയതുകൊണ്ടല്ലേ
അതിനുള്ളതാണ്.
ഗ്രന്ഥത്തിന്റെ.
So we bought some few items from here. So now we are going to say bye to the shop. Okay, bye. If you get any chance to come to Pallasana area, do visit this shop. Here you will get lot of knife and items like that, and it's in good finish also. Okay, bye.